love this fluffy, delicious and easy to make carrot omelette. So you want to start by cleaning your vegetables. If you like, you can dice the carrots and bell peppers or cut them julienne style. We are not going to be using the whole carrot, so just about 2 tablespoons. But I like to chop mine and keep any leftover chopped carrots in the freezer for use later. As always with omelettes, you want to start by beating your eggs. And I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So salt, a pinch or 2, depending on your preference. The bell pepper, spring onion or scallions, and carrots. I'm then going to give this a mix. Just whisk everything together. And finally, I'm just going to whisk in the milk. Milk is optional. If you like, you can use heavy whipping cream, water, lemon juice, or even leave it out altogether. Heat your pan under low to medium heat. Add cooking oil. Distribute the oil. Once the oil is heated up, you just want to reduce the heat to a low, and we're going to add our egg. I'm then going to use my spatula to tilt the raw egg into the sides. And you then want to add your black pepper at this point, if you prefer. And the reason you're adding black pepper last is because if you beat it into the omelette, it normally doesn't mix in properly and just sinks at the bottom of the bowl. And in case it mixes, it tends to make the appearance of the omelette unpleasant. This is done. If you like, you can cook it longer, but I like to get it out at this point because the omelette will continue to cook as it sets. Fold it in the middle. And that's it. You can then serve your carrot and egg omelette with some bread or as preferred.